Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment, with a score of plus 0.052 and momentum at plus 0.050. This is significant, because it indicates a shift in global sentiment that hasn't been this pronounced recently. You're not just looking at numbers, you're witnessing a potential turning point in collective perspective. Our API returns a rich dataset, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that provide context to these shifts. Imagine you're building an application that predicts consumer behavior. This data could inform your strategy, helping you align your product offerings with evolving public sentiment. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.